Oh, Earl! What say, my fine feathered little chickadees? What say? Welcome back to the show once again. I look a little bit better, I think. Not much, but you know, you got to cut me a little bit of slack. So the winner of this guitar here, right here, we're going to check the setup and everything on it, see if it's still like it was. I set this guitar up in November. The contest ended February the 1st. DB Cisco, congratulations, man. I gave you a choice between this guitar and the Epiphone flat top guitar. DB wants this one, he said, just because he didn't have one. He's got like a whole room, house full, I think, of guitars. So it's like he needs another one. He don't have one like this, so that's why he chose this one. I tuned it down for storage. I'm going to tune it up, bring you over here, and just quickly check the setup on it, check some things out. I put those silk and steel strings on there, and they were new out of the pack, but they're god-awful looking, man. They was right out of the pack. I mean, they looked that way when I put them on. You can watch that old videos in November 28th, I think, on the Winzz Gypsy Jazz guitar. Here it is. I'll show it to you. You've seen it before. It is a beautiful guitar, man, and it sounds good. I like the sound of it. But I'm just going to check it all out on this video and get ready to ship to him. I've been sick, man. Wow. Everything. All kind of shit going on with me. So many, I couldn't count them all. I'm finally getting a little bit better, I think, finally. Every time I think that, then more shit happens. Or I get back set on, you know, wow, it's been a battle since 2019 started for me. But I'm through complaining. I'm not going to, you guys watch my old videos. I never could complain much about my health. I never complained any that I can remember. But wow, these last videos have been a lot of complaining in them. But I guess it happens when you get old. Alright, I'm going to tune this up and bring you closer, and we'll check the setup out and get it ready to ship to DB Cisco. Hold on. Alright, got the strings on it. Got it all tuned up to pitch. And got 18 thousandths fielder's gauge out here. We'd like to see 18 thousandths. That's what I set it on the other video. If y'all remember that. Check that out, man. If I remember right, the two bottom ones here was a little less than that. Yeah, it goes in there, but maybe the three bottom ones. That might be 16 too. I think the bottom three are maybe 16. Top three is 18, it would appear. I just wanted to check this guitar out, show it one more time, and talk about it a little bit. Wow, that thing even fit. Put a capo on the first fret. There we go. I think I set this at 12 thousandths neck relief. I think. There we go, it's 12 thousandths. And down here about the, what is the 18th fret? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17th fret. I'm not really sure. There's a big thick neck block. There's a big thick neck block in here. And I don't think the truss rod comes through it, but it does go into it. So, right here, gotta make sure it's 12. Yeah, it is. And check that out, man. That's a little tight there, a little tight there. Goes right in that one. How about that? Has not moved. The guitar, that's a little tight. A little bit looser on that one. So we still have 12 thousandths on the neck relief, which is good. Good. This guitar is solid, little guitar. It's solid as a rock. Alright, string action. Now, as you know, I got to get over here on this light to see this. I looked at my notes already on the last setup on this guitar, and it was 4/64 on the high E string at the 12th fret. Pick that mother up wrong every time, man. whatever I need it for. It's always the opposite side. It was, according to my notes, 4/64 on the 12th fret high E and 5/64 on the low E at the 12th fret. So let's see where we're at now. Yeah, dead on the money. 4/64. Yeah. Might be just a little bit less than 5/64 now. Maybe it was then. I'll just call it 5/64 because it's closer to 5 than it is 4. Yeah, it comes up a little bit, very little bit on each string. I'm going to call that, yeah, it's 5/64. Yeah, there's a piece of plastic on there. It makes it really hard to see the marks. That's what it is, 5/64. Well, I know it's got funky strings on it, but I want to check the intonation anyway. Let me get you set up so you can see it, and we'll check intonation on it. Make sure it's in tune, check it. I had to move this bridge back, if y'all remember. See how the center of the bridge is moved back just a little bit to make it intonate right. That's no problem. You have to do that on these guitars. It's a normal occurrence. If he wants that action any lower than that, all he's got to do is sand off at the bottom of the bridge. And remember to sand off the bottom of it and not the top, because there's a it's hollowed out inside that point. And the bridge comes up like that. It's hollowed out up in the underside, so if you sand off the top of it, it's going to have a big hole across here. So you got to take the bridge off, sand off these bottom legs. I think it's flat, but I can't remember for sure. Yeah, I'm sure it is. I was going to say you might want to lay sandpaper on there and work the bridge, you know, to keep it fitting up against the top, you know, exactly perfect. But I'm pretty sure it's flat, so you can just do it on a flat spot, whatever, if you do it at all. Hold on. Hopefully you can see that okay. Here's the first string open. I'm looking at the tuner from the side and upside down, but it looks like it's on. First string harmonic, 12th fret. Yeah. And first string noted, 12th fret. Wish you can't get any closer than that. Second string is a little bit low. Now it's too high. Let me stretch it. Second string harmonic. It's still favoring a little bit sharp, I think. Harmonic. And second string noted, 12th fret. Yeah, it is a few cents sharp. Just a little bit. I can't see that well enough to. Looks like about 4 cents sharp. If I'm seeing it right. I'm not going to hold you through all these, but I'm just showing you. It's flat. That's a third string harmonic. And let me stretch it out. That's why I always tune with the harmonics. I never tune with open strings anymore. You can be more precise if you use the harmonic. Well, still sharp. That's the harmonic you're hearing. Still sharp. Let me get it, stretch it some more. I'm going to stretch it too much and then it's going to be flat again. Yeah, that's close. Okay, here's third string noted. Tuner's having a hard time picking that up. That was the harmonic. Here's the note. Yeah, it might be a little bit flat. Fourth string harmonic. Fourth string noted. Very good. Hit it way too hard. You got to set harmonics and set a guitar up according to how it's going to be played. Well, I'm going to check those last two off camera, but you can see it's very close. That's why I moved the bridge back on this guitar, to make those sharp notes flatter. And one last sound check. Definitely wasn't made for that kind of stuff. I'm playing it rather hard too. I got a 2mm pick here. Can't hold on to the pick, man. I haven't been playing, been too sick to pick. Wow, I can't hold the guitar this way. But you can hear it does have a good sound. It's a good little guitar. Dwayne, I hope you like it, buddy. Well, there you have it, folks. She's ready to go home. I don't know how long Dwayne's been a patron of mine, or how much he's got in this guitar. I know what tier he's on. But Dwayne, thank you, buddy, for the support, long-time support. I appreciate it from all of you guys. We're going to do another contest now. There've been some people asking me about, let's do it on blue chip pick, or something like this. Seymour Duncan. What is it called? Preamp, modular blackout preamp. You can install this in any electric guitar. I'll get it up there where you can see it better. The contents, some of them. You can install this in any electric guitar and make your pickups active. Super hot pickups, man. If you got hot pickups already, install this puppy and they'll be so hot you can't touch them. But anyway, we've been kicking that around, whether to do another guitar contest. I'm running out of guitars unless somebody starts making some donations. We're going to run out. But it's up to you guys. Decide if you want to do something like this, or a blue chip pick, capos, or another guitar, electric or acoustic. Still got that Epiphone guitar. It was in this last contest, but DB picked this one just because he didn't have one, he said. So anyways, we're going to kick that around, talk about it, and get another contest started. If you're not a patron, you better come on over, get in, so you'll be eligible to win whatever it is we get into the next contest. Thank you guys for watching. DB Cisco, thank you, man. I hope you like your new guitar. Should I tell you one more time, because this is the last time you're going to see this guitar on this channel anyway. DB might, maybe he'll show it on his channel and play us something when he receives it, if I ever get it in the mail to him. Wow. I just ain't been able to pack it up and take it out there and do it all, you know. I mean, it's been bad, man. Health-wise, it has been a mother. And I'm not going into detail. There's too much stuff to talk about. Maybe I'll make a video on that and just tell you all of it. I don't know. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Cheers. See you very soon on repairs. As soon as I can see again, we'll start doing repair work. That's the reason I'm not doing them. Haven't done them for a while. I got that Martin right there, man, and I need to finish that guitar, installing the Carlos pickup in it, but I want to be able to see before I lay into that guitar with a drill and a router. Stay tuned for that. You want to see it, hear it, and see it. Cheers.